So hopefully everybody can see this small presentation. So we'll start with a bit of a introduction to Aisin. So Aisin Seiki was established in 1965, and it's now a Fortune 500 company. You'd be maybe surprised to hear that it's the 5th largest automotive parts manufacturer in the world. It has a turnover of slightly more than Scott's wage of 42 billion Australian dollars. And we have 110,000 employees across 207 group companies in 20 countries. And Aisin is a supplier to more than 40 car makers. How Aisin fits in the picture with Exedy. Exedy was appointed as the distributor for Aisin products following the conclusion of automotive manufacturing in Australia. So Aisin had an office in Sunshine in Victoria, and predominantly they were there to supply Toyota. And since Toyota's wrapping up production locally, they looked to a distributor for their automotive aftermarket products for Australia. And given that Aisin has quite a close relationship with Exedy, Aisin is a major shareholder of Exedy Corporation Japan. They naturally look to us as a first port of call to distribute their products. So looking at the product lineup, so Aisin has clutch, a lubricant range, freewheeling hubs, water pumps, brake and clutch components, not clutch disc and clutch cover, but hydraulic components, and fan clutch. So we've got a flyer, or we've got some flyers available for each product segment, and I've incorporated some of those flyers into this webinar, and we'll just use those as talking points to talk about the products. If you've got any questions, you can either use Q&A or send through a question on the webinar chat at any time, and let's get started. So starting off with clutch, I'm sure you guys are familiar with Aisin Clutch. If you've ever worked on a Toyota Land Cruiser or Toyota Hilux or Camry or Corolla, most likely you've seen Aisin clutches in there as original equipment. Very popular, obviously, in Land Cruiser and Hilux, and they are known for the NVR, so noise and vibration type wide-angle damper system, similar to the Exedy WAD disc to dissipate and reduce noise and vibration. So we have a range of the Aisin clutches available. There's over 150 part numbers in the range. It covers about 800 applications, and mainly for Toyota, but there are some kits for Mitsubishi and other makers as well. Okay, so the second product category is the lubricants. So Aisin has quite a wide range of lubricants, from engine oil to ATF, automatic transmission fluid. I'll just hold up so you can see this is some packaging, engine oil packaging. So Aisin produce ATF fluid, CVT fluid, brake fluid, and it's available in half-litre containers up to 200-litre drums. And we do also offer some special pricing for box quantities. It's actually our preference, rather than selling individual bottles. It's our preference to be selling that in the box quantity. So we've instigated some special pricing to make that a little more attractive. And just something to be aware of with regard to the Aisin lubricants is they are available in semi and fully synthetic grades, if you like. And they're made from what I understand to be grade 4 and 5 base oils, which is a much more pure, much more high quality oil than some of the competitors. We also have on the Exedy website the product disclosure statements, the PDSs. You can see one on the right-hand side of the screen. This little flyer is also available to you. All of the flyers we'll talk about today, we'll make sure that you get a copy of these. Matt's just asked, is the ATF available in 5-litre containers? Richard, if you wouldn't mind, I'm not quite sure, Matt, but I'll just get Richard to respond to me, and I'll let you know. Richard's just answered, Matt, 1 litre, 4 litre and 200 litres. I'm sure Cole would like to sell you the 200 litre drums. I've also just popped up on the screen there the Aisin specification chart. So we do have some information that helps you to identify the correct oil for a given vehicle. So we can provide you with this information also. Okay, the next product, freewheeling hubs. I should just say, sorry, on lubricants, we have the full range of lubricants available now. They're not catalogued just yet, but we are working on that, and we're looking to have all of the oils catalogued in our website catalogue very soon. All right, the next product segment is freewheel hubs. I'm sure you're also aware that Exedy is, my apologies, Aisin is an original equipment supplier, and you would have seen Aisin freewheeling hubs on Toyota Hiluxes, Toyota Land Cruisers. There is about 21 types or SKUs available for the freewheeling hubs. We have one just here. And this is the genuine type. So genuine type of freewheeling hub is available to us in the aftermarket. And we also have a little flyer explaining the benefits of the Aisin freewheeling hub. But also on the back of the flyer, we have an application list here. So as you can see, there's hubs available for Colorado, Frontiera, Jackaroo, Rodeo. And we have a good range of hubs available ex-stock now. We are waiting on a couple of fast movers, but and Richard just mentioned, they can be ordered via Avenue, and you can enter your genuine part number cross-reference if need be, if you can't find what you're looking for on this application guide. All right, next product, water pumps. So water pumps, the guys have been working pretty hard on bringing a range of water pumps to the market. Aisin is I think you'd probably be surprised to learn that Aisin is the largest OEM manufacturer of water pumps in the world. And later this year, we've placed an order, but later this year, we'll receive our first opening stock order. And that will cover approximately 120 part numbers and 1,500 applications. And I should say that's the top 120 part numbers required for this market. And that'll include Ford Falcon, GM applications, not just Japanese orientated. So I have a water pump. Here's the water pump packaging. Yes, packaging. Okay, and also on the back of that flyer, there's a top 20 water pump quick reference chart with the Aisin part number, OE cross reference, and make and model details. Again, this will be available November, December, and it will be a quite extensive range. Okay, brake and clutch components. So you can see in the image, I think the image gives us a good indication of what Aisin has available in this category. So there are brake pads, which are OE quality, genuine type pads that might be supplied by Aisin's subsidiary Advix to Toyota for Toyota Camrys or Corollas and these types of applications. You can see we have brake and clutch hydraulics there as well. Boosters, clutch master, brake master, and calipers and the like. We'll progressively roll out this particular category. At the moment, we have some stock, but we'll ramp up stock of this particular these products early in the new year. In addition to that, these that you can see there, these products, there's slave cylinders, wheel cylinders, some shoes, brake shoes available. They're predominantly four-wheel drive orientated, but you can see on the back of this flyer, we've also done a little bit of a quick reference chart. So some of the most popular hydraulic components for this market will be the KUN Hilux and ZJ75 Land Cruiser, 78 Land Cruiser, and V8 Land Cruiser. Again, some stock available now, but this product category will ramp up for next year. Okay, fan clutch. This is a little nichey, not quite, not such a large range. We have about 33 part numbers currently available. But what's interesting to know with the fan clutch, this is the packaging. As you can see, there's consistency with the packaging. All comes in the Aisin blue boxes. With the fan clutch, as I say, about 33 part numbers. The Aisin fan clutch is this that we have available to us in the aftermarket is the same as the genuine fan clutch, the OE clutch. It's predominantly Toyota, but there are some Daihatsu, Hino, Mitsubishi, Isuzu light commercial applications as well. And on the back of the fan clutch brochure is a quick reference chart, again with the Aisin part number, description and application detail. So how to find Aisin products. So I imagine you've already started to see some of the Aisin products on our website. So as I mentioned earlier, the guys have been working pretty hard to catalogue the product. We're up over 270 different listings in the catalogue now. And this just gives you a bit of an example, whether you're in Avenue, and you can order any of the Aisin products via Avenue, whether you're in Avenue or the general website, exedy.com.au, now you'll see this little tree on the left-hand side, a little tree down here, and you can choose from different product segments. So in this case, we've looked up a Toyota Land Cruiser VDJ 78 series. I've clicked on cooling, and up has come the water pump, cooling fan coupling, cooling fan bracket. And if I was in Avenue, you could click over here, add to basket, and order these. I guess importantly for guys in New South Wales and Queensland, at the moment we have some Aisin Clutch kits available out of the stores up there. Most of the Aisin products are held in Victoria just at the moment, but we'll be progressively moving a core stocking range up to the New South Wales and Queensland office. If it's not something that you need urgently, we can of course ship up out of the Vic office down here. And also, if you're looking to access just more information about Aisin, again through the exedy.com.au website, we can click on products and then Aisin, and this is where you can find the product disclosure sheets, PDSs for the oil and the like, and other interesting information in this area.